Children, have you ever wondered how that rainbow appears?
Ma'am, it just comes after rain.
Yes, but it's actually made by sunlight and tiny water drops.
When sunlight enters water, something magical happens.
The white light splits into many colors.
That's why we see so many colors.
Just like this, sunlight bends and spreads into colors.
Rain plus sunlight plus angle creates a rainbow. Can we touch it? No, it's light, not something you can hold. But we can enjoy its beauty and learn from it.
Nature is full of magic when you understand it.